Coach did their thing for this bag. I absolutely love it. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another unboxing video. I definitely think this can be considered a series now. If you've watched my previous videos, you know I'm on a journey towards finding the right bag for me, live in the flesh. That doesn't make any sense, but you guys know what I mean. I feel like there's way less lining for this type of bag. When I unboxed my previous Coach bags, there were way more items I had to get through. And here she is, guys. My ring light has a bit of an orange hue to it, so I think it might be a bit difficult to see the true color of the bag. This is definitely a whitish color. Something that immediately stuck out to me is that I like that the bottom of the bag has little feet here. Magnetic flap, and we have the Coach emblem here. Huh. And at the side of it, it says Coach on it. When you open the bag, the inside is a very soft lining. The bag comes with a handle and the little Coach tag and a pebble leather. What do we have inside of here? Okay, we have a lot of things inside of here. Well, not that much, but we have a long strap. Definitely that pebble leather that I was talking about. The knob to open up the little clasp here has Coach written on it. That's cute. I would say pretty much throughout the bag, there are little tiny Coach insignias. Oh my gosh, the inside of this bag is really cute, y'all. It has Coach written down at the bottom of the bag. Let's see, what does it say? This is a Coach bag. What? Oh my gosh, what does it say? It's like buried in the bag. I can't read it. What does it say? What does it say? Commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Very interesting. I've actually never paid attention to the patchwork inside of the bag.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb.
And then there's a number that I'm assuming that gets assigned to every bag that gets made by Coach. Now I'm interested. Hold on. Wait a second. Oh my gosh. This one has it too. Okay, so I'm back with some items. Let's do a test as to what could actually fit in this lovely bag. I'm just gonna open her up. I have my old camera. This is Sony a5000. My Canon M50 is slightly bigger than this, and also FYI, off camera, I put my Canon M50 within the bag and it fits perfectly. So yeah, this is what we're gonna use. So I would just place her down like so. Something that I noticed that my older cousin, Justin, he always carries a bottle of water with him, and that's something that I just want to get in the habit of doing. So I'm just gonna see if that fits here. I have my makeup case. This is huge. I would not carry this like this, but it fits this far. It fits, guys. And this has all of my makeup brushes in it, and I wouldn't carry all of my brushes with me. I would probably just carry a beauty blender, so guys, this is very promising. On the days that I know that it might rain and I don't want to carry a heavy umbrella, I've invested in just buying these little tiny ones. I have a feeling that she's gonna fit inside of this. Oh my gosh, and she does. I have my keys. No, I do not see myself downsizing my keys. And I'll just put her at the side. And then we have hand sanitizer and Aquaphor for those dry hands. And I can honestly just drop that in the bag. And then I have this little card holder. It says H&M on it because I've had this from my H&M days back when I was an undergrad. I worked at H&M. And this is just a random card that I'm gonna use as like my fake credit and or debit card that I would put inside of it. And she fits. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh my god! She closes! And then I have a mask. Oh my gosh, guys. This is crazy. And I also feel like in this little pouch, I could put like a little piece of paper because that's the type of girl that I am. I like to be prepared. Guys, all of those things fit. I'm shocked. Okay. These straps are great, especially for the winter time. I tend to wear thick coats, so I could definitely see myself carrying this bag alongside of me. I really like the length. I'm actually really mind blown because it's the straps that's really getting me, because as a tall girl, this is very much appreciated. And if I'm not in the mood to use the straps, I could just carry the bag like so. Altogether, I paid $258.03 for this bag. I have never spent that amount of money on a bag before. Really happy with my purchase because I was eyeballing that Georgie shoulder bag with the linear quilted lining. And I'm so happy that I went with this bag because that Georgie shoulder bag was not gonna hold the things that I needed to hold. A mini umbrella. My brush pouch that has all of my brushes inside of it. And this thing really isn't that small. It's kind of the length of my head. A water bottle. Hand sanitizer. Gotta keep that Aquaphor on deck. My camera in case I want to vlog. My keys. Smaller pouch. My little credit card holder. Again, I'm so happy with this. I could see myself taking this with me to work, going out with my friends. A really nice purchase. I'm so happy. Coach did their thing for this bag. I absolutely love it. Yeah, really happy about it, and that's all I have to say. Well, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the support. I appreciate the comments. If you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. I want to continue making videos like this. I think they're really informative, actually. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, growing up, I used to love watching unboxing videos, and here I am unboxing my own items that I purchased from the internet. Continue to social distance, continue to wash your hands, and I will catch you in the next one.